Thank you so much Shizan William साहब एंड क्रिश्चियन कम्युनिटी को मेरी तरफ से मेरी क्रिसमस और इसके साथ साथ रिसेंटली आई हैव टू बीन टू UNOC एंड फ्रॉम देयर आई ऑल्सो गॉट द मैसेज ऑफ ह्यूमैनिटी एंड रिस्पेक्ट. I really love to share. After that, this is also one of the positivity in me as well. That because UNOC and UN United Nations also conducted a really great event at Morocco, and I was the part of also that one. And from that also I got that the humanity is for all, means there is no any discrimination. Where we go on social media and we just hatred the religions and the hatred for the other people and other religions and other sects. But today here we came with the Christian community and celebrating the Christmas. What I think we have to take everything in positive way, and I really got it in positive way, and that's also one of the message from the United Nations and the UNOC as well, because I was very busy. And thank you so much William Saab, pastor, because they have given me this opportunity to be the part of this Christian community. And also I will share this message with the UNOC and UN as well, because I was the part of that event in Morocco recently, and recently I came back, and this is the positive and positivity for me, humanity for all, and we have to come together with all, and we will celebrate the humanity without any discrimination. Thank you so much.